Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are looking at the November paper pumpkin kit called Warm Wishes. So let's see what's in the kit. So we'll have our instructions. We're going to be able to make 8 little gift boxes in the shape of houses. And we've got our full color instructions. This tells us all of the pieces we need for each project. And then we've got project 1 and project 2. We have some ideas about the tools you can use. And then we've got some alternate ideas. And we've got the kit contents. And the colors are Balmy Blue, Blueberry Bushel, Cherry Cobbler, Crushed Curry, Daffodil Delight, Lemon Lolly, Mossy Meadow, Night of Navy, Old Olive, Pecan Pie, and Real Red. So tons and tons of ways to use this kit with all the colors that are available. So it comes wrapped in tissue. Just take that out. We've got a Mossy Meadow Stampin' Spot. We've got some double-sided adhesive, the sticky tape, and we've got some linen thread. We've also got a package of dimensionals, or a little sheet of dimensionals. We have a stamp set here. What does the stamp set say? We've got Warm Wishes from our home to yours, special delivery, with love, 'tis the season. We've got a little, we've got a door with some trees on each side of it. We've got a little Scotty dog. That is just gorgeous, and a present. So again, lots of options with the stamps that we can use. And it comes with 8 gift bags that you can put whatever you like in, just fold over the top. So here's one of the gift boxes, and you just fold it up and fold the top over like that, and then add your pieces to it. So we'll make those projects in the next couple of videos. So there's the one, here's the other one. Again, it would just fold up, and then fold over at the top. So that's the second one. Again, just adding the bits and pieces to it. And we've got these wreath stickers. These are actually stickers, are for sealing the plastic bags over. And then we've got our banners and tags for the houses. And then we've got a whole set of these little wreaths that we can use to decorate the windows on the cards. So that is our paper pumpkin kit for November called Warm Wishes. Stay tuned to the next couple of videos for how we make the boxes themselves. I might do both boxes in one video because they're relatively straightforward. And then I will do alternates. I'm going to be combining the alternates with the Home for the Holidays set from last month because it all coordinates together. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for those projects.